Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants, and we are checking in with Joe at his 1 year follow-up. Wow, I can't believe it's been a year. How you doing, Joe?
It's doing good. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Wonderful. Happy to see your hair.
Yeah, I'm very pleased with these results, and it's such an yeah, I'm just really well turned out, and everybody that's seen me now is just shocked by my results, and they're very happy for me. I'm happy for myself. I got a lot more confidence now, and I feel like this was definitely worth it, having this surgery, and definitely looking forward to having another procedure.
I'm so happy for you that you gained some confidence and you look fantastic. I would love to show your results here. So do me a favor. Let's have you look to the right and hold it.
Okay.
Perfect. Look to the left and hold it. Wow. And then look down for me as well. And you can slowly come back up.
Okay.
Sweet. Okay, great. And we discussed, it was a lot of area to cover in one procedure, and a lot of times we have to do it in a two-step fashion, like yourself. But what a difference, your hairline, and, the second surgery, we're just going to double up on it and get you further back, because that's the region that we obviously couldn't really get in.
Absolutely.
And we're looking to do that
For sure, so I can get that hair in and enjoy it while I'm young and healthy.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thank you so much for doing the video, and you look awesome. We're going to get you as much hair as that bear behind you, all right? He's going to be jealous.
Right.
Thanks again, Jeff.
Absolutely, doctor. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.